what's the difference between medical grade and industrial peak? Today we're taking you inside the GMP cleanroom, where implant-grade AKSOPEEK is produced to explore its strict standards and manufacturing process. Firstly, the production environment, industrial-grade PEEK, is made in regular workshops. But implant-grade AKSOPEEK requires certified cleanroom for production. Second, quality control standards. Industrial-grade PEEK follows ISO 9001 quality management, while medical AKSOPEEK adheres to ISO 134854 medical devices. Every step R&D validation, raw material checks, production, and traceability is tightly controlled for safety. Third, material purity and processing. Industrial PEEK uses standard materials, but medical AKSOPEEK requires ultra-high purity inputs. In our facility, we use Hastelloy reactors for high-temp, high-pressure purification to reduce heavy metal content, meeting strict standards for human implantation. Fourth, regulatory compliance. Industrial PEEK follows company standards. Medical AKSOPEEK meet China's YYT 0660-2008 medical industry standards. Additionally, AKSOPEEK complies with ASTM F2026 requirements. Medical AKSOPEEK's clean production, strict quality systems, and ultra-pure materials aren't just upgrades. They are a promise to prioritize patient safety above all.